and welcome everyone. This is episode 2 and I am your host Ashati Jha. You are listening to Euphoria Hours. हम लोग बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं किसका? यूफोरिया का the most awaited fest of Bennett University. अब तो give us the inside scoops, the drama, the fun, everything about it. We have someone जो जहाँ नाइट की प्लानिंग की बात हो, chaos हो या crazy moments हो, सब कुछ is possible because of this person. And who is it? The co-convener of Euphoria, the most awaited fest of Bennett University, none other than Mr. Piyush Jain. Bhaiya.
I would like to correct you. It's not the most awaited fest of just Bennett University, but the entire Delhi NCR.
Okay, so according to our co-convener sir, पूरा दिल्ली इंतजार कर रहा है यूफोरिया 2025 का.
Yes.
So अब इतना इंतजार कर ही रहे तो आप भी कुछ बातें बता ही देते हमारी ऑडियंस को.
Well, I'll just describe it in 3 words: bigger, brighter, and bolder than ever.
Damn. So the 3 words are bigger,
Brighter and bolder.
the 3 big B's, guys. So this is it. आपकी बातों से तो लग रहा है कि यूफोरिया होने वाला है एकदम धमाकेदार. तो अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो हमने भी आपके लिए प्रिपेयर करे हैं. Can we?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So the question is, what has been your proudest moment? अभी तो स्टार्ट हुआ है, मतलब स्टार्ट तो नहीं हुआ है, ये लोग बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं, बट स्टिल अभी तक में what is the proudest moment as co-convener so far?
Well, I consider कि hierarchy अपनी जगह है, but the proudest moment I would say is when I see the team working together in 002 ALH throughout the day. When I see them working diligently, it's a feel good moment for us and for me and obviously the convener Ajay Bhaiya. So yeah, that is the proudest feeling I have till now, that seeing the team working so diligently and working together.
Working together. So you are happy to see the unity.
Yes.
So Bennett University is together for Euphoria 2025.
Yes, the entire university is together for it.
Perfect. So when we are talking about this team thing, अब आपने बात छेड़ ही दी है, तो थोड़ा अपने टीम का इंट्रोडक्शन भी आप हमें दे ही दीजिए. Like what are the departments you guys have planned जो अभी काम कर रही हैं ताकि ये fest?
Well, definitely there's events team, outreach team, sponsorship team, finance team, PR team, and going forward in the phase 2, we will have logistics team, hospitality team, transportation team, vendor management, sponsor management, registrations, and many more.
Damn, तो मतलब कोई भी एरिया आपने ऐसा नहीं छोड़ा है.
Definitely आप मान के चलिए कि बेनेट की शादी है, मतलब उस हिसाब से काम कर रहे हैं कि घर में शादी हो हमारे.
Now this शादी takes us back to 2024 band baja barat thingy.
Well, 2025 theme, let us all untangle the tangled love.
Yes.
That is why we are touching all the aspects of the society or of the culture we are into.
Okay, perfect. And the convener, Mr. Ajay Agarwal भैया जो हैं, उन्होंने बहुत beautifully describe किया कि how you guys got into this, the theme thing, because it's a very remarkable thing for a fest in itself. So I'll not go there for you, but next question which I have for you is now let's imagine if this fest was a movie. Yeah, is a movie. So what's the title and who plays you in the film?
Okay, that is a difficult question. Bennett, Euphoria, if Euphoria is a movie, भाई सोचना पड़ेगा इसमें थोड़ा सा.
सोचो बहुत टाइम है हमारे पास.
The one movie, I don't know what role I would play in the movie, but the movie I would say is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, because for all of us, especially for the convener and for myself, it's our last fest in our university. So we are just living it like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, and we are living it to the fullest.
Okay, so it's like both of them are giving all of it, whatever they have to this fest, and they want to make it the huge. Both of you have the same mindset. You are working with the same mindset, and I'm hoping कि कुछ भी गड़बड़ ना हो fest में and सब कुछ हो जाए.
देखो सब कुछ हो जाएगा. गड़बड़ होगी तो संभाल लेंगे.
Wow, what an attitude! What a person! Okay, so moving on. एक थोड़ा और टफ क्वेश्चन आपके लिए ये है कि आपने अपनी टीम वालों की बहुत तारीफ कर दी, टीम्स की तारीफ की, यूनिटी की तारीफ की, तो एक ऐसी टीम भी बताओ आप जो आपके नजर में सबसे हार्ड वर्किंग है। अब देखो सब काम
भाई
कर रहे हैं, दिस
ये
इज
तो देखो
समथिंग।
ऐसा है कि
या
हम बायस नहीं है किसी टीम को लेके, सो आई कैन नॉट नेम एनी ऑफ द टीम्स. ऑल द टीम्स आर वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड, वेरी diligently, very professionally,
या
and all the teams are equally important for the success of the fest.
ओके
So definitely the sponsorship team is working very hard to bring in sponsors, but on the other hand the outreach team is working very hard to bring in registrations, and again the events team is also working very hard so that the events, the जो हमारी event की quality है वो ना गिरे, वो एकदम top notch रहे. And definitely all the other departments, the resource department is working on procurement, which is also very important, a very important aspect of the fest. So I cannot name any favorite department, but yes, all the departments are doing their job very nicely.
very nicely, perfectly aligned, perfectly answered. So the last question which I would like to ask is, क्योंकि हमारे आपने टीम्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करा, एंड लेट मी टेल यू गाइस कि वी विल हैव द टीम्स, द हेड्स, जो कि अपने डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में और अच्छे से आपको बताएंगे कि what they are doing and what you can expect from them. The last question is, what is that one event, particular event you are looking forward to? मतलब as a student, not as a co-convener.
Okay, as a student, I'm really looking forward to Nukkad Natak, which
Okay.
is Agaz. I'm really looking forward to that event because it's an event where social causes are being taken care of. So that's the one event I look forward to. Another person I would like to mention here is our reporting manager, or the person who's helping us throughout, Mr. Himagna Roy. Himagna sir is there for us from the management's end. So yeah, I would like to mention him. Just wanted to mention his name.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, sir, for this. And to both the convener and the co-convener, it's not like it's just the words, because you both are being together.
साथ ले सकते थे आप interview.
Exactly. हाँ, वो दे सकते थे, कोई बात नहीं, वो भी कर लेंगे. But अब क्योंकि हमें ये end करना पड़ेगा, तो हमारे यूफोरिया आर्ट्स का there is a thing called seconds. So you are the convener. You will have convener second. Co-convener. Sorry, वो साथ में करने वाली चीज़ों को मैं ज़्यादा seriously ले गई. So we will have the co-convener second here, and you need to tell about Euphoria in one line.
In one line.
Yes. और 15 to 25 seconds के अंदर. It's up to you.
यूफोरिया के बारे में बताना.
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ एक चीज़ जो आप चाहते हो कि लोगों को पता ही हो. It can be a शायरी, it can be a poem, it can be anything, a one-liner, anything, जो लोगों के दिमाग में बैठ जाए.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love life boring, fest life interesting. Come on, Euphoria. Come to Euphoria 2025. We are waiting for you.
Ouch, that was a punchline. It's going on our Instagram otherwise. So thank you so much, and this was our co-convener, full of fun, excitement and energy. जैसे कि हमारे convener जी ने बोला था विराट कोहली. I asked him which celebrity is going.
Same answer.
Same. So Euphoria 2025 is the Virat Kohli of the fest, guys. So we are waiting for you in Euphoria, which is on
15, 16, 17 Feb 2025, and the venue is Penith University.
Okay, so that was all from our end. Keep watching Euphoria Hours for the inside details of Euphoria. Next up, we have teams lined up for you and only you. तो जाइए शेयर करिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ, because ये बेनेट की बात नहीं है, ये बात है दिल्ली NCR की.
Yes.
So Euphoria is waiting for you and we are also waiting for you.
Join us.
This is us and we are signing off.